Hi friends, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions. I wanted to share with you some exciting news. I find it exciting. I hope you do as well. I'm going to be releasing some training for Chief Architect and incorporating a lot of the information that I put into Tech Tip Tuesday videos. I want your feedback on what training you would find important. The link to the feedback survey is in the description below, and if you share your information on just one question, share your name and email address, I will send you a coupon to use for your first training session. I want to know things like what's important to you as far as topics of training, whether that's walls and rooms, doors and windows, stairs, cabinets, framing, roofs, or fill in the blank. Check that out in the description below. Thanks so much for watching these videos. Thanks for your support and the likes. Thanks for the comments. It really helps me to keep going, and I appreciate it. Take care. Have a great day.